Hola, hola, estudiantes de español, ¿cómo estáis? Bienvenidos un día más, un vídeo más en ONSPANISHLINE, tu escuela de español para aprender español online, gratis, con vídeos en YouTube, en Instagram, en TikTok, en Facebook, estamos en todas partes. Busca ONSPANISHLINE y encontrarás todo nuestro contenido, que es muy bueno si quieres aprender español. Guys, I continue talking a little bit in English. As you can see, I am starting to talk more and more in Spanish. This is our sixth video of the A1 course in Spanish, which is a very basic, very beginner level. And as you can see, we are following a program. So please, if you didn't see the last videos, watch them because it's quite important to continue our learning, okay? I leave you one of them in here. This is very important about verbs, so please check it out and then come back here, okay? Today, we are going to learn some more vocabulary. We have been talking about verbs, and in the next video, I will tell you guys how to decline those verbs, how to tell them in a proper way. And today, I need you guys to learn a bit more of vocabulary. We have been talking about partes de la casa, las partes de la casa, the parts of the house. You didn't watch that video? Okay, here you are, okay? Check it out because we need to learn from the basics, from what you really need, to some more complicated vocabulary. But at the beginning, we need to learn what is something really needed for us, okay? So, of course, we all have a house, we all live in a house, and we all have a profession. Today's vocabulary, it's all about Vocabulario de Profesiones, right? So we are going to learn many professions and I'm going to ask you, ¿cuál es tu trabajo? ¿Cuál es tu profesión? ¿A qué te dedicas? What's your job? ¿A qué te dedicas? This is probably the best way to ask what's your job. So leave me a comment about your job, try in Spanish, and I will correct your answer, okay? Also, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to our channel because you will learn some more Spanish for free following our videos. Great. Okay, let's start with Spanish vocabulary of professions. Let's go with the first one. Médico o doctor. We have those for two words. So médico and doctor. We can say médico for a woman and we can say doctora as well for feminine, okay? So this is doctor, médico. Electricista, electrician. Fontanero, plumber. Profesor, yo. Profesor de español, a professor, right? We have another word, guys, which is maestro. Maestro, profesor. Both are translated as teachers or professors. Profesor is a person who is dedicated to adult people, to people who is learning because they really want to. And maestro is usually considered as a teacher for children. Okay, so this is our difference. Profesor, maestro. Let's keep going on, okay? We have said médico, electricista, fontanero, profesor. Right, so I go for one more, which is mecánico, mechanic, working in taller, right? For coches, para coches, mecánico, ¿vale? Una más, profesión, piloto, piloto, a pilot. Let's go for some more. Enfermero o enfermera, a nurse. Cocinero o cocinera, femenino, a chef, ¿vale? Cocinero o cocinera, a chef. Camarero, camarera, a waiter, a waitress. Informático o informática. We can say also programador o programadora, right? So we say IT. This is IT in Spanish. Informático o informática, ¿vale? Perfecto. Una más. Periodista. Periodista, journalist. Remember, guys, we say periódico for a newspaper. So, periodista, a journalist, okay? We also have deportista, sportive person, okay? A person dedicated to the sports. Deportista, like, for example, Rafael Nadal, ¿no? Nuestro tenista número uno más importante, important player of tennis. Rafael Nadal, deportista as a profession, right? Okay, one more, let's go. Bombero. Bombero is a person working against the fire, so they go to help the people who is having a trouble with fire at home. Bombero, I don't remember the word in English, that's why I'm explaining it, okay? Bombero, you guys know. Okay, one more. Fotógrafo, a photographer. Arquitecto, an architect. Director, director. We can also say director for a manager. When in English we understand as a manager, we can say jefe, encargado. Jefe is boss, and encargado is a manager, but we can also use director as a manager, okay, of a business, of a company. Okay, hombre de negocios o mujer de negocios, that's called businessman, businesswoman. Okay, hombre de negocios, negocios, business, importante, ¿vale? Hay muchísimas más profesiones, hay un montón, dentista, oculista, repartidor, relaciones públicas, wow, hay muchísimas, ¿vale? Instalador de internet, procurador, inversor, bueno, hay un millón, ¿vale? There is a million of professions in Spanish and in every single language. ¿A qué te dedicas tú? What's your job? ¿Cuál es tu trabajo? Coméntame, comment in the comments, okay? Of course, and I will correct your answers, okay? Please let me know. I really want to know what's your profession. ¿Cuál es tu profesión? ¿En qué trabajas? ¿A qué te dedicas? As you can see, guys, we have different ways to ask for what is your dedication, what is your job, okay? Let's practice, okay? Let me know what do you think about it. Practice, okay? Try to remember, and we will see you guys in the next videos. Que tengas un buen día. Have a nice day, and see you in the next videos. Muchas gracias.